Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Third Cup Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a South Indian classic stir fry called a Poriyal. We're going to make our Poriyal with green beans and carrots today. This is a super versatile dish and works great for the summer months. So let's get cooking. To start with my beans and carrot stir fry, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to my pan here on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Now that my mustard seeds are spluttering, I'm adding a tablespoon of urad dal or white lentils, and I'm going to cook this till it turns golden brown in color, which should take around 10 to 15 seconds. My lentils look golden brown. Here I have a dried Kashmiri red chili, which I'm going to break into 2 to release its flavors and add this to the pan and toast for 5 to 10 seconds. So my tempering looks great. At this point, I'm going to add around 2 cups of finely chopped green beans and 1 finely chopped carrot and give everything a good mix. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to brighten up the greens. Give everything a quick mix. I'm gonna salt to taste. I'm adding a splash of water to help with the cooking process. Cover with the lid, reduce the heat to low, and cook for around 8 to 10 minutes or until the carrots and beans are completely cooked. It's been 9 minutes, my beans and carrots are completely cooked. I'm going to top my beans and carrots with a tablespoon of grated coconut. Mine is frozen grated coconut that I thawed earlier, but if you have access to fresh grated coconut, you can use that as well. And that's the finished dish. So as you can see, that was an extremely quick and easy recipe to make. It's fresh, it's light, and it screams summer because it's so bright and delicious. It works great in wraps as a side for any grains such as quinoa or rice. I also like to eat it just on its own with some vegan yogurt because it's super flavorful. For more recipes like this, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments how you made it your own. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye!